Stars, how are you all? Welcome to the class of Business Studies. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Problems of Small Business in India. Some major problems faced by this sector are as follows. First is problem of finance and credit. This is the main problem because the capital base of small industry is very weak. They have no partnerships or they are single owned business, and they have very little funds, and they even cannot take loans or from money lenders who charge high rates of interest. Second is problem of raw material and power. They are not having much raw materials, and they don't have sufficient imports of raw materials also. The units, they face number of problems. For example, handloom industry, they depend on cotton or local traders. These traders are often supplying cotton on conditions that weavers sell the cloth to them whenever it is ready. Then problems of marketing. Marketing problems are also there. They cannot spend lots of money on marketing. Then they have the problems of high production cost. They cannot earn economies of scale. They are having problems in production. Old method of production, they don't have many modern techniques to be used. They are not well mechanized. They don't have the latest equipments. So these are all certain problems. Problem of sickness. Small units are sick units. They are running under losses. They are not able to plan their working capital needs in advance. Lack of demand. They concentrate on production of traditional and artistic goods whose demand is not very high in the market. Infrastructural constraints. They are suffering from infrastructural constraints also. They are situated in rural areas and are not properly connected to railways or roads. So transportation and stock, raw material, all these things are carried with great hindrances. Managerial skills. A single person is promoting and is responsible for all the business risk and other activities. So proper managerial skills are not there. An entrepreneur may have proper knowledge of production activities but may not be good at marketing. So he cannot manage all the business activities. So these are the different problems faced by small business. So this was all for today. In our next video, we will study about. If you have any doubt, any query, you can drop on Google Class. Thank you, Shan Stars. Take care, all of you.